In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to make your iPhone volume louder. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. Make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS version because this feature requires a newer update to work properly. Once your iPhone is up to date, head back to the main page of Settings. Now scroll down, head over to the option Sound and Haptics. Tap on it, then scroll all the way down until you find the option called Built-in Speaker Volume Limit. Tap on it and make sure it's turned on. Then drag the slider all the way to the maximum level. This ensures your iPhone is not limiting how louder speakers can get. Next, go back and tap on Headphone Safety. If you are using headphones or earbuds, check if Reduce Loud Sound is turned on. If it is, either turn it off or increase the limit to the highest level so your audio is not restricted. After making these changes, your iPhone should now be able to play audio at its loudest possible level. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.